Hello friends, this is Sophia Fuzz. Today I'll make an experiment and it's called Volcano Experiment. So I have the three ingredients I need. This is food coloring, vinegar, and baking soda. So let's first do this. So I'll add the food coloring into the vinegar and then I'll add the baking soda into the vinegar. Okay, are you ready? Okay, go for it. Let's mix. Isn't that fun, guys? Okay, so I see there's enough stirring. Let's add this baking soda. Oopsie. Oh my gosh. Forget it. Look at it. Did you just see that, guys? It is one fun experiment for this. That is the best of the bests. Wasn't that fun, guys? I know you would like it. If you want to do the experiment, do it at home. So let's talk about why does this happen. Baking soda is a basic compound called sodium bicarbonate. Vinegar is a diluted solution that has acidic acid. Friends, that's it for today. I'll come back with another video. See you. Bye.